service intervals are in the engine manual in the quick start guide, are detailed here. Running the engine till it's warm and then disconnecting the battery lead, negative battery lead there, and the oil drain is round this side of the machine. To drain the oil drain is located behind the lifting beam. Just remove, undo the locking nut and drain into a bucket. The fuel filter is located behind the lifting beam here, and just 2 Jubilee clips. The air filter element is behind this cover here. Just loosen the wing nut. Just pull the cover off. The air filter is removed there.